How to change time in Quotex. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So in order for you to change your time zone in Quotex, just open up the Quotex app and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on Account. And here you need to scroll all the way down to the end of the page. And once you're there, you will see there's a drop down that says time zone. Click on it. And here you will be able to change the time as suits you the best. If you don't know which time zone you are in, or you want to change your time zone for whatever reason, then you can simply search it on Google or use a time zone converter in order for you to do that. So once you have found your time zone, just click on it and it will be changed automatically. If you go back to the chart, you will find that the time zone has changed. As you can see here, it's 7 a.m. UTC -7, and my time zone right here is 3 p.m. So that's how you can do it. That was it for this video. That's how you can change your time in Quotex. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.